Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a bike check for my YouTube channel because I do not believe I have one on there yet. So let's get started. Up here at my bars, I have Cardinal sole grips with the Sabrosa bar ends, nylon bar ends. I got those in black, and got the Cult Leader V2 bars in red. I got the Shadow Strike stem in matte highlighter blue, and my forks are old Miracle forks. I painted them. My rim is an Alex Rims DM18. I'm not even sure if Alex Rims is good. Just some random silver spokes. Just a random Haro hub because I broke my other one and just needed a quick replacement. I ride 4 stolen cold forged chromoly pegs, and my front tire is a Haro Joe Dirt, and I got it from a friend. And as you can see, he tried to paint the rim and did not take the tire off the rim when he painted it. So it's got kind of sort of like white wall deal going on. Down here at my frame, I have an Eastern Codec and the matte red that it comes in, and my headset is a stolen headset. It's not on Dance Comp. I actually got it from the house board shop, and really I'm not sure what it is. It's like the V4 something. I'm not really sure. I don't want to speak and be wrong. Here I got the Shadow Pivitol, not padded or anything. Well, it's got some padding. It's not just raw plastic, but and then I don't ride a seat clamp because I got the stolen S.I.C seat post. Well, I do have a seat clamp, but my frame just didn't come with a bolt for it. So I got the stolen S.I.C seat post, which is a wedge post. Down here at my pedals, I have the Odyssey Chrome Ice Blue limited edition. I've rode these pedals for about 3 months now, so they're getting the paint kind of wearing off. I have the Shadow Noctis cranks in crimson red. They are aluminum, I believe, and they got a hollow bolt, so that goes all the way through the spindle to the other side. I have the Shadow Conspiracy Scream sproket in matte highlighter blue. I have the Shadow Interlock V2 chain in red. I do, and the Eastern Codec does have removable brake mounts, and I ride with them in because a lot of people break it right here, so you're supposed to leave them in even if you don't ride brakes. Back here I got a Haro MS4 tire. It's pretty old. It's got some grip left on it. My entire back wheel is a stock sapient thing. The rim is fairly straight. The spokes are really bent though, and the hub is just terrible. If you do get any sapients, I don't. I do not recommend them. I got a Primo hub guard. It's plastic, but it holds up really good. I haven't broken it or anything yet, like I thought I would. And here's my peg again. The Eastern Codec does have chain tensioners. They're these small little bolts, so they break pretty. May have broke. My dad took it out. Oh yeah, I have the Shadow Corvus bottom bracket too. So that's my bike. bars are 8.5 inch rise and 29.75 width. Frame is 20.5 top tube. The spindle, my cranks, is 22 millimeter. Bottom brackets are mid. My front and rear bolts are 14 millimeter axles, which I do have new forks and a new hub that I should be lacing up pretty soon. But this is my video. Like, subscribe, comment, message me. I'll get back to you on anything. If there's any parts you guys would suggest for like a back rim, or actually a rear hub, I should say, because I do have a rear rim that I am going to put down soon. Just message me, comment if you have any good suggestions, because I'm really at a loss right now yeah, I'll be posting some new videos soon. And me and my friend Kyle, this is a shared YouTube. He posts a lot of videos, and his videos kind of have a lot of views. So I hope to get pretty far with this one. So, see you guys later.